Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the app and loading the passport size image you already took. This saves time and keeps colors accurate. Once loaded, crop precisely to the required dimensions, for example 2x 2 inches, and make sure resolution is high enough, 300 dpi or more, so text stays sharp. Next, choose the text tool and pick a simple font and size that fits the face clearance rules. You do these steps now so text placement is both legal and readable. You now add the text. Tap the text tool and enter the required details, name or ID, keeping it short. Then pick a sans serif font for legibility and a high contrast color so it reads against the background, black on light backgrounds or white on dark. Once done, lower opacity slightly if required by guidelines and nudge the text into position using 0.51. 0 spacing from the edge so nothing gets cropped during printing. Make sure to zoom in and preview for sharpness and alignment. You finish by exporting the edited image at maximum quality, keeping 300 dpi and the exact dimensions required by the issuing authority. Then double-check rules. The text must not cover the face, background must be uniform, and face clearance must remain correct. If the text or image appears blurry, undo the last changes, increase font size or contrast, and re-export at higher DPI. If problems persist, retake the photo with better lighting and repeat the steps. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.